In this pencast, we're going to sketch the graph of y equals x squared minus 2 by generating several data points. And then using the same data points, we're going to sketch the graph of y equals square root of x plus 2. So let's start with y equals x squared minus 2, and we're going to make an x and y table to pick our data points. We'll pick -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. So now we need to plug our data points into our equation. So we would have -2 squared minus 2, which is 4 minus 2, so that's 2. Then we would have -1 squared minus 2 equals, that's 1 squared minus 2, so -1. Then we'd have 0 squared minus 2, so that would be a -2. We would have 1 squared minus 2, which equals a -1, and then 2 squared minus 2, which is a 2. So now if we were to plot these points on our graph, we would have -2, 2, -1, -1, 0, -2, 1, -1, and then 2, 2. So if we connect all of these points, we get a parabola. So now let's graph our y equals square root of x plus 2. So we're going to make our xy table and use our same points, -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. So if we have the square root of -2 plus 2, we would have square root of 0, or 0. If we have our square root of -1 plus 2, we would have square root of 1, or 1. If we had 0, we're going to have 0 plus 2, or square root of 2. If we have 1, we'll have 1 plus 2, or square root of 3. And then if we have 2, we'll have 2 plus 2, or square root of 4, which is 2. So to plot this, we can just plot our 0, 1, and 2 points, because that way we don't have to deal with the square root. And 3 points is still enough to graph our line. So we'll have -2, 0, -1, 1, and 2, 2. Then we can graph this. And from this, we're able to see that at 2, 2, these two equations cross. And we can see that also from our xy table.